This is Kalam again here. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add keyframe on CapCut PC. So without any time wastage, let's get started. First I'm going on CapCut, then open up a region, open up a video actually here. Then you can see this is a video option, or you can see this is a keyframe option. So I want to add the beginning. Just click on keyframe, then just skip few seconds. Okay, then again click on keyframe. So again skip, then I want to just minus, just click on add keyframe, then again skip, then click on add keyframe, then I again just zoom. I want to zoom here, then again click on keyframe. So this is a method you can add keyframe on your video CapCut.